Am I buying myself a job? Or am I building something with real value? Here's the difference.
And for the past 15 years, helping lots of other people become more financially free. I've reached a point in my career where I'm like, okay, I've learned how to do this at scale and drive hyper revenue growth for companies, but have not really applied that for myself and positioned myself to be wealthy as well. I'm excited about this new change in my career, really focusing on driving and growing a business for myself. And I see Valenta more than just a business, as really a pathway to my financial freedom.
What I'm most proud of is that I've been able to support other financial advice firms grow. We've been able to partner with them. In many cases, many of those financial advice firms, could have started off as much smaller, and we've grown with them to a point now where they've got a very sizable business, and we're an intricate part of that.
My goals are really to scale. Being at Valenta for 4 years now, I've built a pretty good foundation on working with manufacturing clients, working in the data analytics space, as well as working with smaller accounting firms and other miscellaneous clients. I'm at the point now where I'm really looking to build and establish relationships with COIs, drive new leads and new opportunities. I'm looking to hire more of an internal team to help manage it, business development representative, as well as internal project manager. In the next 3 to 5 years is just to really kind of stack the book of business.
You're not buying a job. You're building equity in a scalable business. ValentaFranchise.com